What if we told you that cream cheese can be used for more than just sandwiches? First, soften the cream cheese over a double boiler for that silky smooth, chef-approved finish. Then, for the perfect savory flavor-packed bite, mix in chili flakes, oregano and a pinch of salt. Pipe the mix into de-stemmed mushrooms or whatever you like and bake till golden. Top with more chili flakes and dig into this little flavor bomb. Now add in some honey and whisk until it's smooth. Set the stage for this delightful treat in a shot glass. Layer in walnuts. Pipe in the yummy cream cheese mix. Top with fresh strawberries and another drizzle of honey. Add a swirl of condensed milk to the cream cheese. Toss in some chocolate chunks and whisk till smooth. Freeze for an hour and your ice cream is ready to serve. A splash of milk, a dash of vanilla and powdered sugar until it's light and frothy. Now pour it over a hot Americano and finish with a sprinkle of coffee powder. Boom! Barista who? With D'lecta cream cheese, the possibilities are endless and always delicious. If that got your taste buds tingling, like, share and subscribe for more creamy hacks.